What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video on this YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing maths. Okay, guys. So let's start. The topic of today's day is algebraic expression. As I know that some people are having difficulties doing this, so let's start by doing the basic sum, which is plus and minus. So let's go. I'm going to give you one sum. I'm going to solve it by myself, and then I'm going to give you after some. Then I'm going to make one more sum and ask you how to do it, and then I'm also going to give you one question, and then I'll give you some time to solve it, to 20, 30 seconds or 60 seconds for you to solve it, and then I'm going to answer it. So now let's start easily. Okay, let's start with the most easy sum which I know right now. So there are two ways of doing addition or in algebraic expression. The first way is, example, I'm gonna give you number one way will be okay, fine, let's go. We got it. X plus x square plus 5x. Now you have to add, when comma comes means you have to add it. Okay, comma, I'm going to write it down. X square minus 3x, wait, I'm gonna x cube plus 7x. You have to add this. Now I'm going to be writing a way how to do this one. Let's see. Horizontal way is like this. You write the same question. This question is there na here, this question you have to write it again. Matlab you have to write this but instead of writing it the same way with the comma, you have to put a plus sign here. Okay, so now after you write the plus sign, this you have to write it like the same way, and then you have to write this. You have to arrange it with the following, see, like this: x plus x square. Okay, this is your question. Now you have to see where the minus signs are, guys. The minus sign is always very confusing for some people. So listen, guys, see, when there is no sign ahead of x square now, so it means it is positive only. इसके आगे भी कुछ नहीं है, it is positive. Okay. Now we have to write. Now what we have to do is, will be plus. Now we had put x square, so it is already plus. C plus x square, and minus, it is minus, this is cube actually. You know what, guys, I'll give you an easier sum, like okay, this is your, you have to add it to, or there will be comma. Okay, I'm putting comma. Now let's see how you can add this the horizontal way. As I said, you have to put plus sign now, so you put plus sign here. Okay, I put plus sign. Now next, this will be the first step. You have to always put equal to sign now, a first step. Okay, next equal to sign you put, and then you have to write x plus x plus 5x minus sign minus 3x plus y square plus y square. Write equal to. Now add x plus x is equal to x square. You put plus sign. Now 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 in your hand minus 3, 2x. y square plus y square is equal to, wait, plus sign to write y square. This is your answer in the horizontal way, guys. X square plus 2x plus y 4, because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, now let's go ahead of what column method. Guys, remember the question, it is x plus, you know what, I will just erase it. Okay, okay guys, now it is clear. Now we have to add, as I said, x now in column method. Now this plus sign is then here, this will not be here. Okay, I'm erasing it. Okay, as you guys can see, it is already, the method how I have done now, right now it is already in column form. So you have to write it again, but okay guys, you put plus sign here, sorry one minute, plus sign here, and you put a line here and write. You have to always, remember that numbers will come with numbers, x will come with x, y will come with y. It cannot come y plus x. Okay, remember that. Next, let's see, x will start from here. Okay, from here, y square, as you can know, it was 4. Plus and plus is equal to plus. Plus and minus is equal to minus. Okay, and plus is equal to plus, but you don't need to write that. Okay, so now 5 minus 3, plus and minus is equal to minus, remember that, but sign of the greater number, so plus. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2x. X plus x, this is your final answer. As you know, it was the same. So now let's go ahead with subtraction. Subtraction is a bit difficult. Okay, I'm going to give you a difficult sum before we start subtraction. Now let me give you the sum. Okay, fine, I got some for you guys. Now this is your sum. Please do it in 60 seconds. I want you to do it because 1 minute is good enough for one small sum. So this is the most easy sum which I'm going to give you right now. X square, that is, guys. Okay, if you do not understand handwriting, I'm very sorry for that. Comma, guys, you can do it in horizontal way or column method, but now I'm going to tell you to do it in horizontal way. So you have to do it in horizontal way, and you have to know both the ways. Okay, so let's see how you can do it. I'm going to start the timer now. Start. Time is ticking, guys, remember that. Don't forget to write the sum again, huh? And put equal to before you start writing the answer. Guys, if you need more time, please pause the video. It will be like this. Just click on this button like this and I'll pause. Time up. Okay, fine, I'm giving you 10 seconds more. Okay guys, let's see the answer. The answer is, I'm going to give you the final answer right now. The answer is 7. I'm going to explain also, don't worry. I'm doing it in column method because it is already in column form. So I'm doing it in column method, okay? I prefer column method for everything, but plus sometimes they give 3 digits. I'm going to be teaching you more also. Just wait, and we'll do this video only addition. Next video we're going to do subtraction, guys. So let's continue. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, so it will become x only, x square only. Plus and plus is equal to plus. 21 plus 5 is equal to what? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Correct. 26 x square. Now x plus x is equal to x square. And guys, this is your answer. But guys, I'm going to write something, one more thing, because it is as you know, it is x minus and plus is equal to minus, and both are same digits, so you have to write minus and plus and minus is equal to minus. The answer is B, minus. Okay, now this is your final answer. So after you write this now, guys, you also have, sorry guys, I just went out board. So now you have to also write in the end, therefore the answer is equal to, just write equal to and box में लिखना है आपको आंसर. Okay, always in box. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment also which doubts you have, and which video, which method, which anything which you didn't understand, just write it down. Which topic you want me to teach, please write it down. See you soon. Join this, please guys also click the bell icon, and you will get all the videos which I've been posting. Okay guys, see you soon. Tata, bye bye, love.